Run as fast as you can, Nikki. I ran. Yeah, I ran. This is really. This is where are you from? But my ex-husband and me are friends. Still friends. Sometimes misses me, I reply. What, Jason? You go to adult daycare center and you want me your girlfriend? No. I don't want someone to go to adult daycare center. Jason? You're joking me, Jason? Ah, from Spain. We're in Spain. I heard Spain now. Some place from Spain is devastated by flood. Do you see? No. No, Jason. You have Jason, you have girlfriend from adult daycare center named Gigla May. Don't mind Jason, guys. He is just he's very special. Jason? DC, where are you in Spain? In Malaga? In Barcelona? No, I'm not available, Jason. You know that I was in Malaga, DC, and then went to Fuengirola, Malaga. I've been in Fuengirola. Fuengirola? I was there last December. And I wanted to go this December also, but I hear that there is a storm in there. Now, in Malaga now it's raining a lot. I think Fuengirola is a part of Malaga. I was there for 1 week. So we are finished, guys. And 6 minutes, I will end my live. Kai, I'm Lubat. Oh, here is a very really. It's very bad weather. You don't speak English? Oi. I speak a little bit Spanish. Jason, mara kag ango-ango. Jason, Nikki is very expensive. You can, you always go to adult daycare center in Galveston. You have girlfriend there, Gela, right? You said?